Hello everyone, welcome to the new lesson today. Today we'll cover the remaining paste special feature which we could not complete last week due to video was getting very long. Let's see what rest we need to cover today. Last week we had covered normal paste formula value format, and today let's see rest of the thing, how long we can cover comments. Let me show you. To show you how this feature work, I need to apply comment over some of the cells so that I can show you this function. Let me apply some comment over this cell. As I told you before, to apply a comment over any particular cell, we need to right click and go down. There is an option insert comment. Let me edit this. Good. Let me apply one more cell also. Very good. I have applied to comment over two cells. Now let me show you how does it work with paste special function. Let me copy this and let me select where we want this to be pasted. We'll go to the comment section. Let's see what happens after applying this. So you can see we did not get any data because we had applied special paste for comments only. So you can see we have got the comment, we have copied the comment only. So this is the feature of comment function of paste special. Like if you want only copy the comment only of a particular data and you can also paste this over some other data, then you can simply just copy the comment with this function. Okay, let's move to the next one. To see the next one, we have already copied this. Let me first remove this function comment previous data. Let me clear the previous data. Now it is copied already. You can see what is the next. Next is validation. How does this work? Validation. So to show you how validation work in paste special, I need to apply data validation over some cells. Let me show you how. Let me select this and you need to go to data. Then you can see there is a data validation over here. Here you will select whole number. Now you can give a range between whatever you want. Let me give it to minimum 50 and maximum 60. Okay, so we have applied the validation over this cells. Now let's see what happens. So let me copy this. We had applied validation over here. So we have copied this. Now I need to show. Let me copy it again. I need to give the address where I want the. We'll go to home, paste special. Now validation. Let's see what happens. So you can see what we have got over here. We have just got the validation, not any numbers, but we had applied validation over this. Let me try to change the number over this cell, 22. So you can see we can get an error because we had applied data validation over this. So we had just copied the data validation. So if I write anything here, then I'll be able to write 23. See, we are able to apply because we had given some condition, minimum and maximum. So it is not, it should be between 50 to 60. I think I had given. So 52. You can see I'm able to write 55 here, but if I try to write 20, then it won't take because of the data validation, and we had only copied the data validation with this sheet. Let's see what is next. Next is add. Add means addition. How we can add anything with the help of paste special. Like these are the marks of a student, and if you want to give a grace of 20 to everyone, how will you add 20? Let me make it bold. See, this is 20, and you want to add 20 to everyone. Like, and if you go one by one, it will be very difficult. So how you can add 20 with 20 to all the numbers, with 20 with all the numbers? So it's very simple. Just copy 20 first. Now select the numbers. I have selected the numbers. Then simply go to paste special. Click on paste special. Now you can see there is an option add. Just click on that and see the magic. See, 20 20 20 added to all the agent, additional 20 added to everyone. So in the same way, if you want to subtract minus 20, then you will follow the same process. Copy this, then go to click on paste and paste special and subtract. See, 20 20 have been minus from all the numbers. And you can also use the shortcut key for paste option. It's Control Alt V and Alt ES are the shortcut key for paste special. You can also use this shortcut key, but to get the feature of shortcut key, you need to copy the data first. All right. Now, what about multiply? So multiply you can also do with the same thing. Copy the number first. I want to multiply 20, 65 multiply 20. I want to multiply 20 with all the numbers. So I have simply copied the 20. Now let me select the data. Let me go to paste. Now paste special. You can see multiply. See the result. If you multiply, you can see the result over this data. All the numbers have been changed. All the numbers have been multiplied by 20. Okay. Now what about next? Next is I think divide. So if you do divide, same copy and then divide. This is the result. So you can see what I have covered today. I have covered today comments, validation, and how we can do addition, multiply, subtract and divide. These are the features we have covered today. So I think there are remaining some more features which I would cover in my next session, because I want my video to be not very long. So there are some more remaining, skip, blank, transpose, and these are some more, and there are some more special things like I'll show you these features also in my next session. So stay connected with this, and if you have skipped, if you have missed the last session or part 1, then I will mention the link over this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.